Hey guys, I wanted to quickly take you through our newest listing in San Bernardino. We still haven't hit the market yet because we're obviously not ready, but I wanted to give you guys exclusive access to this home. So let's take a look inside. Past this beautiful blue door, you're immediately greeted by a super spacious home, open floor plan, high 9-foot ceilings, and recessed lighting, central heat and air, newel dual pane windows, and take a look at this beautiful fireplace. Perfect for those cold and chilly nights. Let's head into the kitchen. We have beautiful quartz countertops, lovely custom backsplash, and here's an important question. Does it have soft closing drawers? Of course it does. We have a large stainless steel sink, tons of space for cooking, new stove, and a large center island, and a new Samsung refrigerator. At the time, the electricity wasn't on and the sun was already half down, so it's a bit dark, but here's what one of the bathrooms looks like. This is a newly built single-story home featuring 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and just under 1,500 square feet of living space. The 2 junior rooms are similar in size and super clean looking. And where it gets even more exciting is the primary bedroom. I absolutely love the color of that accent wall. And you still have those tall ceilings throughout the home. And in the primary suite, you also get a walk-in closet. And past that is the ensuite bathroom with dual sinks and a gorgeously designed shower with custom tiles. Take a look at that. There's also plenty of storage for your toiletry to the side of the shower. So let's take a look at the backyard. Phoebe's trying to get out of the way, but it's not gonna happen. And yes, there will be grass when we're finished, both in the front and back. So if you know anyone that might be interested, give me a shout.